Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future. Today, imagine this: you tell an AI agent to make a sandwich, it confidently says sure. Then it tries to slice bread without holding a knife. Perfect logic. Completely impossible. This gap between knowing what to do and knowing how to do it is exactly where today's AI agents break. This story comes from a recent paper titled Aligning Agentic World Models via Knowledgeable Experience Learning by Baochang and Ningyu Zhang with collaborators from Zhejiang University and UCLA. And it tackles a quiet but serious problem: physical hallucinations in AI agents. Here's the problem: large language models are amazing at reasoning. They can plan, explain, and strategize. But when dropped into a physical or embodied environment, they often imagine worlds that don't obey physics. Doors open without handles, objects move without being touched. The plan makes sense in language, but collapses in reality. Traditionally, we try to fix this by training harder, more data, more fine tuning, more reinforcement learning. But that's like trying to memorize every law of physics forever. The real world is too messy, too dynamic, and retraining every time something breaks is painfully expensive. So the authors ask a bold question: what if the agent didn't memorize the world but learned it through experience on the fly? That idea becomes WorldMind. Instead of stuffing physics into model weights, WorldMind gives the agent a notebook, a living memory called the World Knowledge Repository, and it fills that notebook using experience, not gradients. WorldMind learns from two kinds of experience. The first is process experience. This is the oops moment. The agent predicts what should happen, acts in the real environment, and reality says nope. That mismatch becomes a rule. Like, you can't cut unless you're holding a knife. The second is goal experience. These are success stories. When the agent finishes a task correctly, it distills the trajectory into a reusable strategy. Not low level actions, but high level procedural wisdom, shortcuts that worked before. Together, these experiences do something powerful. Process experience keeps the agent physically honest. Goal experience keeps it efficient and focused. One enforces the laws of reality, the other nudges the agent toward better plans. Here's the clever part: this happens without retraining the model. No gradient updates, no fine tuning loops. Just prediction, execution, reflection, and memory. In experiments like EB Alfred and EB Habitat, world mind agents fail less spectacularly. They hallucinate fewer impossible actions. They complete more tasks. And even better, the knowledge transfers across models. Different brains, same common sense. But there's a pitfall: world mind can't fix bad perception. If the agent missees the world, no amount of reasoning will save it. Reality still has the final vote. A practical takeaway: if you're building agents today, stop treating failures as dead ends. They're data, the most valuable kind. Let your agent remember why it failed. WorldMind leaves us with a big idea. Maybe intelligence isn't about knowing everything upfront. Maybe it's about learning where you were wrong and never making the same impossible mistake twice. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.